English you can live in. Game access. I buy a game or subscribe to play. Ownership means it's mine to stay. Subscription opens a library wide. Many titles ready to try inside. Updates pop digitally. No fuss. Cloud saves keep progress with us. Some games disappear if the plan ends. Owned games stay. I recommend. Trial or bundle. I compare the cost. Digital access matters. Nothing's lost. Gaming apps track what I choose. Ownership or rent. I never lose. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.